Nakul, I will write this and then I say, hence it is a negative development. You can't make an examiner believe all these things. Correct? They're well qualified people. Negative development is different from disadvantages. Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. I really hope everybody is doing well. I'm back with day 9 of the video series Essay Review and Solutions with Nakul. As promised, I've picked up an essay written by you guys. For the day 7 video series, a person named Prabjot had commented an essay. So I've picked it up today and I'm going to show you what mistakes the essay contains and how to make it to score better. If looking for an online course, any point of time you can check the information in the description or right on the screen. We've shared the Gmail ID and the WhatsApp number. You can reach us any point of time to avail our services. So without wasting any time, let's start with day 9 of the video series, Essay Review and Solutions with Nakul. You have got 2 minutes to review the essay. Post that, I'm going to come back and give an explanation. I really hope you finished doing the review. So let's see my version for the same. So this is the question. Many people nowadays spend a large part of their free time using a smartphone. So when you pay attention, you will notice there are few keywords which you need to give preference. Large part, free time, using a smartphone. It is not just about using a smartphone. I use smartphone to make calls. You don't get marks for that. Let's say I've got 2 hours free time. In that 2 hours, 1 hour, 55 minutes you will spend on the smartphone. Why? That is the question which a lot of people don't understand. They read, but they don't understand the way it is intended. So let's see the structure for this. This has to be the structure. Para 1, you're going to rephrase whatever you read it there. And then this essay discusses the reasons and talk about why it is a positive development or talk about why it is a negative development, because that is a question. So here the person has chosen negative development. So accordingly I have taken negative development. Para 2, discuss the reasons. Para 3, discuss why it is a negative development. para 4, you are supposed to just summarize para 2 and para 3. As simple as that. Fine. So let's quickly start with the para 1, what the person has got for us. So majority of the masses believe that using mobile phones are second to none to while away leisure time. Entire grammar wrong. I really don't know what the person has intended to write, so I didn't try to correct it, but the entire grammar is wrong. Second to none to while away leisure time, and I'm end up spending large amount of time using smartphones. I really couldn't understand what the person has written, so I've just left it. So after all the comma is not required, although people use it for staying connected, having conversations and entertainment, by no means it is a positive development. Alright, so here the person has written positive development, but in the third paragraph, the person has taken it as a negative development. That's again a contradiction. It's okay, we can still forgive him for this. But here he's supposed to say negative development, because third paragraph he is talking about why it is bad, why it is a negative development. Alright, so accordingly we have to modify it. Let's quickly go to para 2. This is para 2. Again, I will repeat the question, read the question again. Many people nowadays spend a large part of their free time using a smartphone. Why? Why? So give it a thought. You can't simply say I use smartphone for social media, I use smartphone for Facebook, Instagram, for watching YouTube video. That's not the question. The question is not about in what ways you can use the smartphones. No. It is a matter of fact that people are so hard pressed to complete errands of workplace and the inadequate time to converse with acquaintances or friends in person. The introduction is wrong. It is not even talking about the question. You talk about blah 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 blah. For example, people are so hard pressed to complete errands. So this has to come towards the end. Hope you agree, viewers, people who are watching this video. This cannot start at the beginning. At the beginning, you talk about the topic and give a main idea. Correct. When they have free time, they tend to utilize making calls to relatives and friends through smartphone. That's not the correct point. The question is not about when you have free time. The question is why do you spend majority of your free time using a smartphone only? When you have free time, you can watch a TV. Why don't you do that? That is the question. For example, WhatsApp and Instagram are mostly used for making calls. That's not the question. And texting message to friends. Question is not about how one can use WhatsApp, how one can, use Instagram, or in what ways you can use the smartphones for. That is not the question. What is more? A lot of people think if I use like this, I'll get marks. All this will not give you mark. All this may enhance your narration skills. Goes to coherence cohesion marks. But if idea is wrong, there is no marks given for coherence cohesion as well. People use mobile phones in their leisure time for entertainment, not for getting entertained. Since they always keep their phone handy. Talk about it, no. To be more specific, smartphone comes with variety of entertainment options. One can play games, watch films. No. If the question is, in what ways you can use the smartphones? I can use smartphones for playing video games, watching movies, for entertainment, all those things. This will come when the question is in what ways you can use the smartphones. The question is not that, Prabjot. Hope you are getting it. The entire thing goes for a toss. Because the question is different. That's exactly what I meant by saying understand the question, read it 10 times. Yes, Nakul, I read 20 times. You read 20 times, but still you didn't understand because your reading skills are poor. You're not able to understand the way it is meant for. Why do you think are the reasons for spending large part of your free time using smartphone? We are dependent. Addiction, man. We use smartphone for everything and we become so addicted. And when we have a leisure time, our mind cannot think of anything else. Second part, convenience, comfortability. You don't have to run for 1 hour to entertain or to get entertained from the smartphone. It's very easy, isn't it? So using these two ideas, you can develop the points. Smartphones has a lot of features. You can use this, and you keep using it, you become so dependent on it. And when you have a free time, you continue doing it. That should be the answer. Dependency should be your main idea. Addiction should be your main idea. Not WhatsApp, not Facebook. Hope you are getting it. This is the reason why a majority of the people get 6.5 in writing. Smartphone is a complete package. Simple sentence. This means one can use it to listen to this, access social media, watch a movie, make a call. Complete package means what is what I'm explaining. With such never-ending features, it has become a favorite pastime activity. You can search the meaning of pastime in the internet. I prefer not to say it here. So this is my one of the main ideas. It has become a favorite pastime activity. But now I have to prove why majority of the people use 99% of their free time on smartphones only. Since it has become a best pastime activity, majority of the people lead a very hectic life. That's what Prabjot told, but I'm representing it in a different way. All they want something is to entertain where they do not have to put any exertion, take any exertion. They just want to curl up on the sofa, have a sip of coffee and want some entertainment. And therefore using smartphone is one of the best resources for them, and gradually people will develop or become dependent on the smartphones for their leisure time. With such a dependency or with such an addiction, chances are more that during any leisure they tend to solely only use smartphones, leaving out all other options. They will have plenty of other options, but still they go for smartphone because it's a complete package, and we start using it, we become so dependent on it. With such a dependency or addiction, we cannot think of anything else. This is the question asked. To a naked eye looks very simple. Hey, this question I can 100% nail this time. I'm gonna get 9 this time, and you see a score report 5.5 and you say IELTS is scam, man. No, it is not scam. It's just that you are not able to understand the question correctly. Don't question your abilities. Question your inability to understand the question. Let's go with the third paragraph. So, is it a positive or a negative development? Here, a lot of people write disadvantages or advantages. You cannot do that. Advantages of using a smartphone. Don't write, you're not gonna get any marks for that. Disadvantages of smartphone. You keep using, your eyes will strain. It's a disadvantage, not a negative development. Even though individuals use phone justifiably for getting rid of boredom, it has certain negative repercussions, but the person told in the viewpoint positive development. So there is contradicting. First mistake. Second mistake, negative repercussions. The question is not about disadvantages. Let's talk about it. Not to mention, people are glued to smartphone screen for longer time. People are glued to smartphone screen for longer time, which causes eye strain, not stain. Stain means mark. So grammar is wrong. To be more precise, harmful radiations are emitted from smartphone, which leads to or leading to, which causes visual impairment. More importantly, people are not encouraging a sedentary lifestyle. Nobody wants to. They lead a sedentary lifestyle using smartphone for longer time, since it does not involve any physical activity. To just wrong grammar. So the person who wrote it has a problem in the English now. The first thing what he has to do is stop writing, work on the English, or in parallel work on the English, read a novel, watch a grammar video, fix English, and then come back here. Just writing may not work, Prabjot. All I'm telling you is the truth. I'm not discouraging you. All I'm telling you is, if the huge grammatical issues are there, that means the language itself is the problem. So first you should develop that language, fix that language. Reading is one of the activities that help you with it. As a result, they're prone to obesity. What are the disadvantages of using a smartphone? These are the disadvantages. The question is about negative development. Nakul, I will write this and then I say, hence it is a negative development. You can't make an examiner believe all these things. Correct? They're well qualified people. Negative development is different from disadvantages. Any sort of negative development, think in something in terms of bigger picture. What is going to happen if you keep using smartphone? Relationship. You will not talk to your family. All the consequences you write, not the small ones like this. So I'm going to show you how to write. On the other hand, with overuse of smartphones, the future doesn't look promising. Now I'm talking about why it's a negative development. Children have developed addiction to gadgets for games, which has stopped them from mingling with friends or socialize. And when they don't mingle, when they don't socialize, they don't understand the value of friendship, they don't understand the value of relationship, value of society, and you can continue talking about it. This further may lessen the value of relationships and society. If you want, you can continue talking about it. If you have one more idea, add. In addition, people's dependency may have an adverse effect on the health. Look at the way I am framing the sentence. Look at the way how here it led to obesity. Here it is represented in a way that it is talking about disadvantages. Here I'm talking about negative development. People's health itself. How people spend their leisure time mostly with smartphones, and many have completely abstained from collocation, abstained from, stop from, even going for a walk in the leisure time. Some are even seen with their neck tilted down all the time because they're using phones. Correct? Leads to neck injuries and other dire consequences. So all this talk about how it can contribute to a negative development in the near future. These are not talking about just the disadvantages, it's talking about how it is a negative development. You keep using it, it's definitely going to be a negative development in your life. That's how we need to represent it. So this was definitely wrong. This is not the way you do it. So be careful, read the question carefully, in the sense, think 10 times before starting to write. First time I thought, okay, this is the answer I'm going to write. Again think, 10 times when cross verify, because once you start, once half an hour is done, then you realize that there is some problem, you can't come back and fix it. Correct? The very minute you read the question, you should know what is expected from you for this question, which apparently Prabjot has not given here, with a lot of grammatical mistakes as well. So this was the conclusion. People tend to use smartphones in their recreational time to connect with friends. No, that's not the question. Hope you're getting it. So this entire thing is wrong. However, it is negative trend for people's health. Not clearly explained, and the way it is written is disadvantage with a lot of grammatical issues as well. Task response, it is not answered at all. So minimum for the things he has written, he gonna get 5.5 in the exam if this is how he writes. He may get 8 in the exam as well if he writes correctly. Please understand that. Since task response is not correct, coherence cohesion will not get any marks for that. So it also will remain 5.5. Grammatical range 6 or 5.5 because there are a lot of issues. Vocabulary fine to some extent. Overall 5.5 is really lucky, he may get 6, but definitely not more than that. If you want your essays to be taken in this video series, I've got one more video series coming up probably Monday. If you want that to happen, like your video to be explained here, kindly comment down in the comment section along with a proper question and your answer. If the essay meets requirement, definitely I'm gonna come back and take your essay here. If the essay is really good, or if essay has mistakes, we're gonna comment your total score along with a brief overview of what went wrong. We definitely will do it, but please allow us some time. Within 2 to 3 days we'll definitely come back on this. So saying this on a positive note, I'm going to park it here. Thanks much for your time and participation. If you like this video, share your appreciation with a thumbs up, and if not subscribe the channel yet, kindly do subscribe so that you don't miss any of the live updates. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, probably in 1 or 2 days, I'm going to come back with day 10 of the video series. Until then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.